Do you see this house we're about to look at? What is up, everybody? Hey, I am back once again. This time we're looking at the Residence 4 here in Windermere Ranch, a Maracay community in Chandler, Arizona. And man, I gotta tell you, if you didn't see Friday's video of the Windermere Ranch Residence 2, you missed out. It's linked somewhere up here. But today we're looking at Residence 4, a 3488 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. Let's take a look. All right, there are open floor plans, and then there's this house. I mean, I just walked in for the first time myself, and I'm blown away. Take a look. All right, we have one last thing to do. Let's check out the backyard. All right, there you go. Another beautiful, beautiful home by Maracay. This one in Windermere Ranch in Chandler, Arizona. I love this house. I love the open floor plan. I love the finishes they did on this model. And I mean, this is just a great community. So remember, like this video on Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and always remember that we deal real estate, but helping people is our business.